Alright, thank you very much, Francis. Welcome sa part 2 ng ating 4th year anniversary celebration.
Yes,
Francis?
good evening, Ate Ludes, and happy 4th anniversary.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here in Eye to Eye. Ate Ludes, I'd like to invite everybody. I have a new tape on the market right now under Octo Arts International. It's entitled Rap is Francism. And this second single, the first single was Man from Manila. The second single, Halalan, was written by Mr. Joey Ayala. And I added some lyrics to it. And then after that, my DJ and Joey did some session work in that. And now, that's the second single out of my
Hiningal ka
album.
pa.
Yes. I hope you can all catch that. It's it includes 10 songs. So,
Nasa market na yon, Francis.
by now, it should be in the market.
So, ano itong song mo kanina? What's it all
Halalan.
about? Halalan.
Yes.
And timely, no?
Yeah, it's about the obligation of the people.
The right to vote.
Yes.
Exercise the right to vote.
Yes.
Tawagan natin muna, Francis, ang isa kong kasama sa Hirap at Ginhawa rin and taga-pamilya rin ng GMA, Herman Moreno. Germs? Wala siya sa part 1 pero nandito siya sa part 2.
Thank you. And of course, happy anniversary, Ate
Thank you,
Lutz.
Germs. Isa rin ho ito sa tumulong sa atin sa larangan ng telebisyon.
Well, tayo naman ang yung nagtutulungan, ano? Nabawasan lang nga yung all for one, one for all.
Ayun na nga. Yes, meron kami kasing secret pact with
Jeleni.
Chileni, with Miss Helen Vela. Mayroon tayo. Ano yung kasabihan natin? One for all and all for one. Okay?
Well, congratulations sa Kiko.
Kuya Germs, thank you very much.
Maganda na naman itong latest
Oo,
single.
lagi naman inaabangan palagi yung ano niya, yung kanyang mga awitin dahil merong message.
Merong
palagi.
message. Yan ang pagkakaiba ngayon ng mga ginagawa ng rap na kanta na yan ni Kiko.
May message para sa sambayan ng Pilipino.
Yeah, I'd like to thank my dancers, the Spinigit Posse, and my DJ MOD. Sana tangkilikin po natin ng mga tugtuging Pilipino. Don't forget, rap is Francism. Thank you.
You have no show coming up?
So now, I have a campus tour coming out, and we're going to Canada probably within the next few weeks. So I'd like to invite everybody. Thank you very much.
Oh, what a coincidence. Si
Bakit?
Kuya Ike may campus tour din.
Saan siya punta?
Kaya lang, ibang klase lang yung tour niya.
Ano?
Doon sa mga kamag-anak niya.
Regards to
Kuya
Pia.
Ike, hello!
Okay.
Naka-Amerikana ka ngayon, ha?
We will be right back for more. Promise.